Hi guys, my name is Lexi, and my intervention strategy revolves around changing physical activity levels in individuals that have low physical activity, and then I'll also go over the incentives behind it as well. So, my intervention strategy revolves around physical activity in the form of lifting. So this program will target inactive Illinois State University students, so those who don't know where to start or those who have failed before when it's come to making a physical activity change. So this one is an 8-week transformation challenge where you basically do your best for 8 weeks, right? Eat relatively healthy. Healthy means different things for different people, and other people do have different dietary restrictions, etc. Usually people know kind of what their version of healthy is, and if not, we can always communicate with the clients to figure out kind of where their thoughts are, what foods they like, what foods they don't like, but really I just want to make sure that they're eating enough during this time, right? So with that being said, I will provide workout logs as well as a workout regimen to follow. It's kind of going to be the same across the board, and modifications can be made, whether it's physical modifications that need to be made or any other obstacles that may come up. We can also alter that as well. So initial and end weight will be recorded. The scale can put people in a really bad headspace, so I don't want to put someone on that every day, every week, especially when they don't need to. As long as you're feeling good, energy levels are good, everything's going well, right? And then progress pictures every week. Not every day, just every week. Maybe you're really feeling yourself one day, right? So go ahead and take a progress photo that day. I included my own progress. Obviously, this isn't over 8 weeks. This is over a span of a little bit, 2 years maybe. But that's kind of what I'm looking for at the end, the beginning and the end, right? So, the incentive and program details here. So I did put on the for the pictures. So for the first place prize, a Fitbit Charge 5 will be given away, among other things. And then sample kits will also give out some samples, probably from this exact kit. I know we're working with about $1,000 here, and I think I stayed pretty well underneath that. So with the Fitbit being the most expensive part. So like I said before, the workout programs and the logs will be provided, and nutrition advice will be provided if need be. So if people really need help figuring that out, I'd be more than happy to help them out with that as well. So the top 5 placements receive bigger prizes, right? Everyone, at the bottom of this slide, you can see all participants receive free samples as well as programming for the duration of the transformation, right? So the first place prize gets a supplement bundle, a hoodie, a t-shirt, and a Fitbit Charge 5. The second place gets a t-shirt and a protein of their choice. The third place gets a protein or supplement of their choice and Atomic Habits. Atomic Habits is a great book I've read for my health and wellness coaching classes, and I think it's a lifestyle change book that everyone should read. So highly, 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 highly recommend if you haven't read that book. Anyway, moving on. 4 gets Atomic Habits and workout programming for 2 months, and number 5 gets free workout programs for 2 months. So 2 months post-transformation, of course. So those are the incentives. Those are the prizes, right? I kind of went with tangible monetary things since a lot of people tend to do well with that. So the marketing strategies are going to be on social media, right? Everyone has social media. It could even be Outlook, Gmail, Yahoo, whatever it is, right? So social media. So I'll make a social media page. I'll also put flyers across campus, obviously, since I'm targeting ISU students. And a Facebook and Instagram group will be made for accountability and morale boosting and a sense of community. A lot of people thrive off of stuff like that. And so I think it's great to incorporate it. People will be like, only one more week, guys, you got this. And I'll also be able to kind of track activity in both of those groups as well. So may the best transformation win. Winners will be decided among a group of 5 non-biased individuals. So, I wouldn't be the one. I would get a group of individuals that go to my gym, and kind of have them vote on 1st through 5th place. So it'll take me as the coordinator of the incentive program out of the equation. So, yeah, that's kind of my incentive and intervention strategy kind of thought process. I can't wait to hear you guys' feedback.